Oh, hello YouTube, it's just Paul again with this A model project, GEA model. Just wanted to bring you up to date with the progress so far. The radio's been coming along, a bit of a clean and detail. You can see that the top of the bezel is the electroplating surface has been eaten through. The sides are good. I'm in two minds here. Maybe get your feedback, guys. Should I turn this into, remove the chrome plating and turn this into either a Stormtrooper or Black Betty, or try and replicate the electroplating that we have on this in paint, which I've done before successfully. All right, where are we at? Fitted new NB ANL. If anybody out there has a genuine GEA model 6-pole switch for the A model, which is the one that's a rocker type, as we can see, versus a slide type, up and down. Okay, that I'm prepared to, if we could buy that. I know they're very hard to find. They used to be hard in the 80s to find, let alone now. But anyway, all right, so where are we up to? Well, we've got put into AM. So the NB and ANL work quite well. Tone high and low. This radio is now ready for work. It's stable now. We've got transmit on AM and SSB. There's a bit of a delay starting up, which is cap related. Takes a while to energize all the caps. This is the type of switch that I'm after. With that type of rocker switch, you can see the axle in the middle of it. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, there's not much to report. So hopefully we'll go through it, make a decision, get your feedback, and we can start working on this radio. But the next stage will be replacing caps. All right, just a quick video. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.